Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we have something compact, powerful, and perfect for those on-the-go moments. Introducing the Alongza Small Portable Charger 6000 mAh power bank with built-in cables. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about convenience. How many times have you found yourself in need of a charge but forgot your charging cable? Well, fret no more. The Alongza power bank comes with built-in cables, eliminating the hassle of carrying extra cords. Whether you have an iPhone or an Android device, this power bank has got you covered. Now, let's talk about power. With a capacity of 6000 mAh, this slim and lightweight power bank packs enough juice to charge your smartphone at least once. And here's the kicker, it's pocket-sized. Weighing in at just 0.22 pounds and sporting dimensions of 4.13 by 2.6 by 0.51 inches. You can slip it into your pocket or purse without even noticing it's there. But wait, there's more. Not only is this power bank portable, but it's also fast. With 3 hours of charging time, you can quickly replenish its battery using the included micro USB cable. Plus, it supports both micro USB and Type-C input, giving you flexibility in how you recharge. Now, let's talk compatibility. Whether you're rocking the latest iPhone or a flagship Samsung Galaxy, the Alongza power bank has got your back. It's also compatible with Google Pixel, iPads, and more. No matter what device you have, rest assured that this power bank will keep you powered up. So, what's the verdict? Well, according to users, they love the size and weight of this power bank. It's the perfect companion for travel, outdoor adventures, or everyday use. And while opinions may vary on battery life and performance, one thing's for sure, the convenience it offers is unmatched. And there you have it, folks. The Alongza Small Portable Charger 6000 mAh power bank with built-in cables. With its compact design, powerful performance, and hassle-free charging, it's a must-have accessory for anyone on the move. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy charging.